Okay friends, good morning. They given this question in 2019 SBI PO mains. Friends, in the starting I given up to 20 seconds time. So in the time I take screenshot and then try to solve. Yes friends, check here. Friends, here the given one is what? A pentagon having 5 equal sides in which circle is inscribed. Yes. Friends, here they given inscribed model. So the same model they given in 2017 IBPS PO mains. Once SBI PO mains, SBI clerical mains papers compared means, then I will go for IBPS. Now friends, check here. A pentagon having 5 equal sides in which circle is inscribed. Yes friends, check here. Friends, here we are having pentagon. Here we are having pentagon. So in this pentagon, here circle is inscribed. Circle is inscribed. Yes, leave it. Next point. See here. 8 persons A to H are sitting in a circular table facing the center. Yes, A to H. These all are sitting in a circular table. Yes, facing the center at equal distance. Leave. Next point. Each of them has certain number of toffees. Yes, leave. Inside a circle, a triangle is inscribed. Yes, friends, here. Inside a circle, again here we are having the triangle. That means total here they given 3. They given here pentagon. They given circle. Here they given here triangle. Yes. Next. The sides of the triangle are number 1, 2, 3 in the anti-clockwise direction. Suppose friends, see a clockwise this side, anti-clockwise is this one. Suppose if this one is 1 means now this one is for 2, now this one is for 3, anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, the corners of the pentagon are marked as 1 to 5 in anti-clockwise. Yes, that means this one also anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Next one is what? 4, 5. This one is anti-clockwise. This one is clockwise. Yes, leave. So when this is the given data, see here. Total here we are having 8 members. Next, at the starting we are having pentagon. Inside pentagon, here circle is inscribed. Inside circle again we are having here triangle. But here the sides of the triangle should be taken as 1, 2, 3 in the anti-clockwise direction. Next, the sides of the pentagon are to be taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, come to next point. The one who has 56 toffees sits second left of D. Yes, friends, check here. 56 toffees sits second left of D. Friends, here starting they mention 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting in the circular table. Yes. Now, friends, first to take here circle. Total we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. Next, all are facing towards the center. Next, friends, leave it. First point is one. The one who has 56 toffees sits second left of D. If I will take this one is D. Friends, all are facing inside me. This one is left and this one is what? Right hand. Now, the one who has 56 toffees is second left of D. For D, first left, second left is what? 56 toffees. Yes, leave it. Next point. There are 2 people sit between A and D. Yes, between A and D we are having 2 members. D, 1 to A here chance. D, 1 to A here also chance. Leave. A is not immediate of the one who has 56 toffees. Yes. Friends, check here. D, 1 to here A. But A is not immediate neighbor of 56. That means for A here no chance. Now D, 1 to this one is A. Friends, check here. Between D and A here we are having 2 members. But A is not immediate neighbor of the one who has 56 toffees. Yes, leave. Only one person sits between the one who has 56 toffees and 63. Between 56 and 63, we are having one person. 56, 1%, 63 here chance. 56, 1, here 63 also chance. Leave it. Next point. D has even number of toffees. Yes, friends, check here. Here, D is having even number of toffees. But before point is what? Only one person sits between the one who has 56 toffees and 63. 56, 1, 63, no chance. Why means here D having even number. Now 56, 1, this one is what? 63. Leave. Next point. Only one person sits between the one who has 63 toffees and the one who has 87. Yes. Friends, check here the mention is what? Only one person sits between the one who has 63 toffees and the one who has 87. 63, 1, 87, no chance. Now 63, 1, this one is what? 87 toffees. Yes, leave it. Next point. 3 persons sit between G and the one who has 87 toffees. Yes, see here. Between G and 87, here we are having 3 members. 87. Suppose take clockwise 1, 2, 3. This one is what? G. Otherwise take anti-clockwise. 87, 1, 2, 3. This one is what? G. Yes. So 3 persons are sit between G and the one who has 87 toffees. Leave it. Next point. A has 12 toffees more than that of G. Yes, friends, check here. A equal to 12 plus G. Now friend, G contains here 56. G contains 56 means now A contains 12 toffees more than that of G. 56 plus 12. Total is what? Here 68. So here A contains 68 toffees. Leave. Next point. E sits immediate left of A. Friend, this one is A. Facing inside means now E is immediate left of A. Leave it. Next point. There are 3 persons between C and F. Friends, see here between C and F, here we are having 3 members. That means here C means 1, 2, 3 F, no chance. Here C means 1, 2, 3 F. That means here F or C, here there is a chance to take. That means these two are the possibilities for C and F. Leave it. Next point. C is not immediate neighbor of E. Friends, check here. C is not immediate neighbor of E. Between C and F, we are having 3 members means then for C and F, these two are the only possibilities. Why means? If I take here C, 1, 2, 3 F chance, otherwise F here means 1, 2, 3 here C chance. If I take here C, 1, 2, no chance here, here this side also no chance. That means for C and F, these two are the only possibilities. But our requirement is what? E is not immediate neighbor of C. That means here, for C no chance. Then this one is what? F. Now this one is what? C. Between F and C, we are having 3 members. In clockwise, we are having 3. Anti-clockwise also we are having 3. But C is not immediate neighbor of E. Leave. Next point. So next point is what? See here, sum of number of toffees A and C is A and C is 116. Now A plus C equal to 116 toffees. Now friends, check here, A plus C equal 116 means here A contains 68. Friends, here A contains 68 means now C equal to 116 minus 68. That means this one is what? Here 16, 8, here 10. That means here C contains here 48 toffees. Yes, leave. Next point. B is not immediate neighbor of G. B is not neighbor of G means for B here no chance. Then this is the only possibility for B. Leave. Next point. D gets 35 toffees more than that of E. Now D equal to 35 plus E. E contains 87. 87 plus 35. Then total is what? 122. That means here D contains 122. D having even number of toffees. Leave. The one who has 31 toffees sits second left of the one who has 29. 31 is second left of 29. Then these two are the possibilities for 31 and 29. Now 31 is second left of 29. 29 facing inside means first left, second left. Yes. Now friends, check here. Now check once all persons A, B, C, next D, next E, F, G. The remaining is what? H. Now friends, this one is what? Now they are talking about this one is only circular arrangement. Now friends, this is the only circular arrangement. Now next, leave it. Of the arrangement, 3 coins are tossed and the persons are shifting their positions according to the below conditions. Yes, leave. Next friends, here they given condition number 1. Check here conditions. Condition number 1. See here. Friends, check here condition number 1. When head appeared in first and second coin. Yes friends, check here. Here we are having first coin. Here we are having second coin. And at the same time here we are having third coin. Leave. Condition number 1. When head appeared in the first and second coin, yes friends, check here. Head is appeared in the first and second coin. See here. First coin is head and second coin also head. See here. If head appeared in the first and second coin and toss appeared in the third coin. Yes, take here. Third coin is toss. Then the person who has lowest odd number of toffees. Yes, the one who has lowest odd number of toffees is moved to corner 1 of triangle. Move to corner 1 of triangle. Next, and faces outside. And facing outside. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, condition number 1. When head appeared in first and second coin and toss appeared in the third coin, the person who has lowest odd number of toffees is moved to corner 1 of triangle and faces outside the center. Next, leave. Now go for condition number 2. Friends, check here condition number 2. Condition number 2 is what? See here. When head appeared in the first coin and toss appeared in the second and third coin. First one is head, second one is toss, and third one also toss. Next, then the one who has more than 65 toffees, but less than 75 toffees, move to corner 3 of pentagon. The corner 3 of pentagon. Yes, friends, move to corner 3 of pentagon and faces inside. Yes, leave it. Next, go for here condition number 3. Condition number 3 is when head appeared in the first and third coin, head is first, third also head, and toss appeared in the second. then the person who has lowest even number, the one who has lowest even number, then even number of toffees, move to corner 2 is move to corner 2 of triangle. Next, unfaces inside, unfacing inside, yes, leave. Condition number 4. Friends, condition number 4 is what? If head appeared in all three coins, first one is head, second one also head, third one also head, then the one who has more than 55 toffees but less than 60 move to corner 5, move to corner 5 of pentagon, corner 5 of pentagon, and faces outside, and facing outside, yes, leave it. Next, go for next condition number 5. Condition number 5 is what? When toss appeared in first and third coin and head appeared in the second coin, then the person who has highest odd number, the one who has highest odd number of toffees, move to corner 1 of pentagon, move to corner 1 of pentagon, and faces inside, and facing inside, leave. Next one, condition number 6. When toss appeared in the first and second coin, next, and head appeared in the third coin, then the person who has highest even number, the one who has highest even number of toffees, remains at same position, and facing outside the center, yes. Condition number 2. All other persons remains at the same position and facing the same direction, yes. So friends, check here, total here we are having 6 condition. Friends, check here, condition number 1. Here condition number 1 is what? First one is said, second one is said, third one is toss me. The person who is having lowest odd number of toffees is moved to corner 1 of triangle and facing outside. If first one is head, second one is tail, third one also tail, then toss, then the one who has more than 65 toffees and less than 75 toffees is moved to corner 3 of pentagon and inside. Condition number 3 is what? The one who has lowest even number of toffees moved to corner 2 of triangle facing inside. The one who has more than 55 and less than 60 toffees moved to corner 5 of pentagon facing outside. The one who has highest odd number of toffees then moves to corner 1 of pentagon facing inside. The one who has highest even number of toffees remains in the same position but facing outside, yes. Now friends, now come to here arrangement. Friends, here arrangement is what? Suppose see here, so friends, now I will start arrangement. Friends, check here. So here we are having pentagon, inside that again we are having circle, inside here we are having triangle. Triangle corners are to be taken as 1, 2, 3 in anti-clockwise. Pentagon also same, 1, 2, 3, next 4, 5 in the anti-clockwise direction, yes, leave it. Now friends, check here, take your first condition. Condition number 1 is what? See here, if first one is head, second one is head, and third one is toss, the one who has lowest odd number move to corner 1 of triangle and outside, yes, lowest odd number. So who is having lowest odd number means, friends, check here. Friends, check here. Here F is having lowest odd number of toffees. See here, 29. 29 less than, there is no lowest odd number. Then this is the lowest odd number. Then this person is moving to corner 1 of triangle facing outside, yes. Then he is moving to corner 1 of triangle and facing outside. Leave it. Now F contains 29 toffees. Next one. Take here condition number 2. Condition number 2 is what? If the person having more than 65 but less than 75. Yes, friends, check here. More than 65 but less than 75, then moves to corner 3 of pentagon and facing inside. More than 65 but less than 75. So more than 65 but less than 75 means only possibility is what? Here A. Then A is moving to corner 3 of pentagon and facing inside, yes. Corner 3 of pentagon, A is moving, then facing inside. Now A contains 68 of it. Check here, condition is person having more than 65 but less than 75 is moved to corner 3 of pentagon and facing inside. Next, see here condition number 3. Condition number 3 is what? If the person having lowest even number of toffees then moves to corner 2 of triangle and facing inside. Lowest even number, yes friends, check here, take here lowest even number. Here even numbers 48. Next 48 lowest, then This is the only condition. See here, the person having lowest even number of toffees, then move to corner 2 of triangle, then facing inside. Yes. Now this one is C contains 48 and facing inside. Yes, leave it. Next go for condition number 4. Condition number 4 is what? Person having more than 55 but less than 60 is moved to corner 5 of pentagon and facing outside. More than 55 but less than 60. More than 55 but less than 60 means here G. Now G is moving to corner 5 of pentagon and facing outside. Yes, G is moving to corner 5 of pentagon and facing outside. Yes, leave it. Next point. Next condition is what? See here, highest odd number of toffees then moves to corner 1 of pentagon and facing inside. Highest odd number. Check here. Next one, see here. Next one is what? If the person having highest odd number of toffees then moves to corner 1 of pentagon and facing inside. Highest odd number of toffees. Yes, friends, check here. Here highest odd number of toffees means now it is 7. Highest odd, then this is the only possibility for highest odd number. Then person is moving to corner 1 of pentagon and facing inside. Yes, now that means here he is moving to corner 1 of pentagon and facing inside. Yes, leave it. Next condition. Next, highest even number then remains in the same position and facing outside. Highest even number. Highest even number is what? 122. Person is remains in the same but facing outside. Yes, D, then 122. Yes, next leave it. Friends, next one is what? Condition number 7. All other persons remains at the same position and facing the same direction. Yes, now friends, check here. Here A completed. Next one is what? C completed, D completed, E completed, F completed, G completed. That means remain 2 persons are. One is what? B. Next other one is what? H. Now remains at the same position. Remains at the same position and facing the center. Now B and H. Now B and H remains in the same position and facing the center. Then this one is what? B 63. Next H. H place is what? Here this one is what? H. Now H is in the same place and facing the center. Yes, like this. Yes. So friends, here based upon this arrangement, here they given five questions in 2019 SBI PO mains. Friends, here questions are very easy, and suppose they given questions are like this: who is sitting in corner 1 of the triangular, or who is sitting in the corner 5 of the pentagon, like that they give questions. But here questions are too easy once if you are able to solve the arrangement. Friends, for looking maybe we are going to feel this question is very tough, and why means here we are having pentagon. See here we are having pentagon, again circle is there, again circle, again triangle is there. For looking maybe we are going to feel it is too tough, but question is too easy, but this one is little bit lengthy question. Okay friends, once if you are going to watch this video, if you felt it is useful, then share it to your friends. At the same time, subscribe my channel. Okay friends, thanks for today.